welcome back. It's Shelby, and today I'm trying out something that I've wanted to do for a while now. It's the glue glitter art. So I think everyone's like seen this in certain movies and stuff, but basically you just get like a dark canvas and then you put on like clear glue and then you throw glitter at it and it creates like this really cool picture. So I have a large black piece of poster paper, clear glue, and gold glitter, and today I'm finally gonna try it and I'm like super excited about it. So yeah, basically that's it. That's the video. So we're trying out glitter glue painting. I don't know really another term for it, but yeah, I'm really excited for it. So yeah, I'll link what I used down in the description below along with my socials. If you like the video, let me know by hitting that thumbs up button. Consider subscribing. Let me know what you think down in the comments, and let's get going. So since my poster paper is pretty flimsy, I came up with what I think is a genius plan. Putting masking tape on a dining room chair, so when I put it outside in the sunlight so you can see what I'm doing, it actually stays upright. So I'm going to start by prepping my materials. I have my glitter and a little cup, and I'm just going to kind of, I guess, pour all of it into here because I need to like throw it at the board. So I do love the way glitter moves. Like, it's just magical. The only sad thing about buying glitter was that the bottoms are always hollow, kind of like a bottle of wine or whatever. Like, you're just missing out on so much additional glitter that could be in there if they didn't hollow out the bottom. But that's a pretty good amount, so yeah, this is exciting. So next I'm going to paint, I don't even know what I'm gonna paint. I gotta paint it with glue, but like, I don't know, I gotta figure something out. So I actually have no idea what I want to paint when I wanted to do this video. I guess I didn't think it through that far. So I'm just gonna do some cool shapes with the clear glue, like maybe some stripes and circles, and just kind of see what we come up with. I do have a foam brush, so yeah, I mean, I don't really know the right way to do this, but we'll just see what we come up with, and hopefully we end up with something cool looking. If not, it's glitter, like it's still a win, so definitely won't be mad at whatever we end up with, but you know, why not just experiment with the shape? Most of the ones I've seen are like a portrait. Like I've seen a Marilyn Monroe one on Pinterest and a few other really cool ones. But I think I'm not gonna do a person. I'm just gonna do, mainly because I can't just freehand a person. Not that skilled, but we can do like freehand abstract art because, you know, it's abstract art. Like it's pretty easy to just kind of do whatever you want, and yeah, we'll make it work. The only trick is I'm gonna have to like move super fast because Elmer's glue dries so quickly. I don't even know if that's what they use on when they do it for legit, but I mean, I don't know, it made sense to me, and I'm just doing this on paper anyway. I'm not doing it like, you know, super crazy, so let's do. You ever think you're like super creative until you have to come up with something creative just like on the spot, and then you're just like, nope, I'm a sham, I have no ideas. That's kind of how I feel like when I'm trying to make a shape on here. I have no idea what I should do. One good thing that I always kind of do when I need to make up something abstract that like still is somewhat pleasing to the eye is just to start with some base shapes like this line that I'm doing and the circles, and then to kind of fill in the shapes around it. Like I did these, just kind of filling in the contour shapes around it, and that just always looks like they belong and are intentional. And also dots are your friend. Like for whatever reason, dots just make everything look super complete and intentional. So we're just gonna add a lot of dots. Let's be real, throwing the glitter at this thing is definitely the main point, not the actual picture itself. So yeah, I'm just gonna go crazy with my little picture in here and make it look like anything, because that's not the point. Okay, we have a very lovely abstract art glue painting, and we're gonna get this out there before it dries. Oh my god, I love it. Okay, this is the coolest thing ever. Like, you can't stop throwing the glitter at it. This is just so much fun. Yeah, we're gonna leave it to dry. It's awesome. So here we have a close-up. It's getting all drippy droppy, but you can see my face in it. I just reviewed the footage and my head was like cut off for part of it, so sorry. But this is like, honestly, it's so much fun. You have to do this. It's like $5 worth of stuff. It's some glue, a piece of paper, and glitter. And there's nothing more satisfying than seeing the glitter fly through the air, hit the glue, and just like rain down in a cloud of beautiful, amazing glitter. So you guys have to do this. Like, you have to. It's the best thing ever. It's so much fun. Oh my god, you guys, you have to do that. That's the best thing ever. My hand is covered in glitter. I have zero regrets. I don't even regret pouring glitter all over my dining room chair. My roommate's dining room chair, which she doesn't know about, but she will when this video comes out. But seriously, so much fun. Honestly, am I gonna keep my lovely creation? No, probably not. It's a bunch of circles and stripes on a big poster board. Like, I'm not hanging that up anywhere. But this was worth it. You guys know I love glitter. If you love glitter, like, you have to try this, because like throwing it and seeing it like and like light up, oh my god. And you have to do it in the sunshine. Like, seriously, it's just a couple dollars worth of stuff. Highly recommend. Like, this is the best thing I've ever done. It's so much fun. It's everywhere. I did save a little bit of glitter at the end, but then I like knocked my cup over, but there's still a little bit left. So I still have glitter, which is great. But yeah, so much fun. The initial cup throw, I don't know how they do that, because it definitely did not like hit and poof out like it's supposed to. It just like hit and went. That's why I was like throwing it with my hands. And I wish you guys could have seen my face, because I was just like the entire time so excited and so happy. And I kind of forgot I was filming, or else I would have been like, camera back, but I was like focused on the glitter. And then I came back to tell you about it and like cut off my head, so you know, sorry about that. And the outdoor, like the noise cut out right after I finished filming, like because everyone's like, I don't know, what do you call them, air conditioning units are on, so it's like this buzzy sound outside while I'm talking. And then it stopped literally right after I stopped filming, and I'm like, well, I can't refilm it because I only have one piece of paper. But this was cool. This was awesome. I'm super excited with the experience. So hopefully you guys like the video and want to try it yourself. I highly suggest it if you do. Let me know if you like the video by hitting that thumbs up. Consider subscribing. I'd love to see you here again soon. Thanks so much for watching, and bye for now.